Braided magnetic flux ropes, observed at both human and astronomical scales, represent a significant discovery in the study of plasma physics. Researchers from Caltech and Yang Zhang, PhD 2024, have identified a new equilibrium state for magnetic fields and associated plasmas in the solar corona, known as a double helix configuration. This phenomenon occurs when strong magnetic fields confine charged particles, forming a gaseous structure similar to a plasma-filled garden hose. The solar corona, the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere, is approximately 1,000,000 times hotter than its surface, yet composed of these magnetic flux ropes, which are less dense but highly energetic. These flux ropes are part of larger astrophysical structures, such as the Double Helix Nebula, located near the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Unlike typical solar flares, which involve short-lived magnetic flux ropes, the Double Helix Nebula spans hundreds or even thousands of light years, demonstrating the scale of such structures. In laboratory settings, researchers have created replicas measuring between 10 and 50 centimeters, using vacuum chambers to produce braided configurations. 2 electrodes within the chamber generate a magnetic field, which is then ionized by applying high voltage to form a plasma. This process naturally results in a braided structure, a combination of 2 flux ropes arranged in a double helix pattern. Electric currents flow along the length of the flux ropes, creating a helical stripe that mimics the twisted magnetic field. Plasma, being conductive and charged, adheres to these magnetic fields, resulting in a frozen configuration. Scientists have modeled other potential configurations where current flows in opposite directions on separate strands. But this scenario is unlikely in nature. However, the same current configuration is particularly important because it could lead to phenomena like kinking and expansion due to hoop forces. These effects occur when currents are flowing in the same direction along both strands, but the opposing currents in the wrapping direction create attractive and repulsive forces, leading to a critical balance point where the structure reaches equilibrium. To understand this behavior mathematically, researchers developed a set of equations using brute force mathematics, allowing them to analyze multiple flux tubes. This approach reveals a stable equilibrium state, as the attractive and repulsive forces balance out. Furthermore, Yang Zhang demonstrated that these braided flux ropes can calculate magnetic fields and currents inside them, providing a comprehensive view of their behavior. This model was tested against the Double Helix Nebula, a large astrophysical plasma formation spanning 70 light-years, confirming the equation's applicability across different scales. This research highlights a fascinating connection between lab experiments and cosmic phenomena, showing how magnetohydrodynamics, a theory describing magnetic plasmas, scales across vastly different sizes. While the basic principles remain consistent, the equations governing these systems differ due to their varying physical sizes. As a result, the study underscores the importance of considering diverse scales in understanding magnetic structures.